Guys, I was working on a 2000, what year is the model? 2009 Lexus 250. And this guy hit a pothole and the car was doing literally nothing. You will try to crank it and it was completely dead. The car was parked here for a couple of days, and I just want to make a quick video of what was the problem, so you guys might help learn something from this. And all it was this harness that it popped up with the heat. So this is your ECU right there, and this wire, this harness was a little loose, so with the impact it came off and the car was literally doing nothing. You will try to crank it and it did nothing. So I hope it helps somebody. Good luck.